My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. We're from dollar bills, now we popping rubber bands. Bruno sang to me while I do my money dance. Like, hey, flexing on the gram like, hey, hit the Lil Jon, okay. Oh yeah, we dripping the finesse.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Deja D here, and today I'm here with a Finesse music video inspired makeup look. First thing you want to do is moisturize your face and get it ready for all of the makeup you're about to apply. Right now I'm breaking out, so it's very important that I have a good base on my face to help me hide these blemishes and make sure that I don't break out anymore from the makeup. Now I'm about to prime my face with this Ruby Touch Up Face Primer, Fresh All Day Mattifying Primer. Now taking my HD Flawless Setting Powder in the translucent color, I'm going to pat this all over my face. This is a trick that I seen Jackie Aina doing, and it helped her cover her blemishes up. This step is not necessarily mandatory, it's just something that I'm going to try out for this video because I am having a lot of breakouts and I want my face to be as flat and as smooth surface as possible. Now I'm about to go into this Absolute palette, the perfect 10 colors, and take this fuchsia pink that you see in the middle and apply that as a transition color. You want to make sure that you really blend this color out, and I'm going to be using an eyeshadow brush that's flat. I'm not going to use a base or anything because this is not really the color that I want to pop as much. Just wanted to say that you could get some really good eyeshadow palettes from the drugstore that really pop and that are good, and this is good for practice and beginners. So yeah, just have fun with this look. So now I'm going in with this NYX eyeshadow primer, but before I do this and apply that, I wanted to brush off the setting powder that I had on because I know it's going to be hard for me to get it all off in one brush. So I'm going to do it once and then I'm going to do it again before I apply foundation. But then I'm just applying the NYX eyeshadow base with the same flat brush that I used with the pink and blending that all the way in so it can lay flat. Now going in with that same eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this blue color in one of the sponge eyeshadow brushes, and I'm going to apply this 3/4 away on my eyelid, kind of halfway, but a little bit more than halfway. And I'm going to just be packing this color on really bright so the color can pop a lot. That's what I want, it to pop a lot. And going in again in that same palette, I'm going to be using a yellow color that they had, which was really bright and pretty. And I'm going to be doing the same technique with the different side of the brush. I didn't want to mix any of these colors together just yet because I wanted to make sure I packed on as much and got as much pigment out of the palette as I can. So that's why you see me using 3 different kind of brushes rather than using one and blending all of the colors together. I want each one to pop separately, and then I'm going to go in and blend it out afterwards. Now I'm going in and blending out all of the colors so there's no harsh lines, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the pink again and just make sure everything's blended out smoothly and evenly. I'm back with my full face done. If you want to see how I do this, I'll link another video below with my whole face routine. And now I'm going back in with that same palette, yes again, and I'm going to be adding this orange color to the inner corner of my eyes at the bottom too a little bit, just so it can really have some more colors in it, because this is such a fun, colorful look. Now I'm going to be adding some green and just brushing that out into a wing kind of. And I'm not going to do the inner center part of the bottom of my eye for some reason. I just don't want to. But yeah, I'm just going to be adding some green on the outside to add more colors, because why not? We're having fun. So now I'm about to do my liner, and that's the part that I'm a little nervous about, but we're going to get it done. I'm going to do the liner off camera just so I can focus a little more, but you know you get the gist of everything. So I did do a liner, and now I'm going in with this shimmery LA Colors Shimmering Loose Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm just going to put that in the inner corner of my eye and underneath my wing. I'm going to be putting on a very shimmery pink lip color just so the main focus could be on the eyes. So I hope you all enjoyed this little tutorial / watch me have fun type thing info. This is one of the most colorful makeup things I've ever done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this song, give it a thumbs up. And in the comments, let me know, what you think. I had fun doing this. So yeah, I'm out.